Okay, now once you understand the true cost of running your tour, the next question is simple. What is the lowest price you can charge and still make money? That number is your financial floor. Your financial floor represents the absolute minimum ticket price required to cover all costs associated with running your tour. Pricing below this level means your business is losing money, even if tours appear to be selling well. The financial floor calculator uses the cost data from your tour to determine this minimum price so you can set pricing with confidence and avoid unknowingly operating at a loss. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open the financial floor calculator. And within here, we can see first up top, we have two business modes. We have tour and rental mode. So TourOptimizer does support rental businesses that have rental assets that operate on daily rental sessions, so on and so forth, whereas tours will operate based on tours. Real quick, I'm going to hop into the template screen real quick, and you can see that you can create rental and equipment assets compared to tour assets, where your tours are separated as tours based on tour slots with tour guides, and your assets are based on actual tangible assets that can be used to calculate costs. So first, I'm just going to focus on the tour calculator. We also have our fixed monthly operating costs for all the overhead for operating your business. Within our templates, we also have business templates where you can save different year overheads or different types of scenarios for overheads that you want to use for running different cost scenarios. So I'm going to go ahead and load a template. Say if you needed to update a template, you can click Save Settings and you can save that as a new template. All right. From there, we have booking engine fees. It comes preloaded with Zola, Fair Harbor Peak Pro, and ResD booking fees, and you also have the ability to enter custom booking entry fees. Enter your average party size to calculate the merchant fee percent and merchant fee transactions. And from here we can add tours. I'm going to go ahead and add my tour template, and we can see that it automatically pulls in all of the data that is saved into the template. From here, we can also estimate our cancellation rate, weather downtime, and average load factor, as well as an estimate on the percentage of channel revenue between OTA and direct revenue. We can enter the OTA percentage and then variable cost per seat for that tour. If you wanted to add additional tours, you can go ahead and do that to compare all of your tour portfolio next together. After I click Calculate Financial Floor, it'll provide a breakdown of tickets required and full blended costs per seat, your blended break-even minimum price based on all of the different costs entered based on your overhead, so on and so forth. From here, you can also save a report. Go ahead and save it as that. But test, save as new. And that's the financial floor calculator. I'm going to go ahead and add another template here. And I'm going to call it the City Highlights Night Tour. We're going to change actually the pricing just to see some of the different variables here to see how it impacts reporting. Okay. We'll say this is a smaller tour. Okay, and then from there, so if you have more than one tour, this also impacts the overall blended cost per seat and blended break-even pricing based on your weighted averages across multiple tours entered. Lastly, on the financial floor, and as with all calculators, there is a help tutorial tool here up in the upper right corner that gives you additional information into what the different tools are and definitions and information of what some of these data points mean. Okay, so now that you know your financial floor, you have established the minimum price boundary for your tour. This number protects your business by ensuring every ticket sold contributes to covering costs and sustaining operations. From here, the next step is determining where your pricing should actually sit above this floor based on your target profit margin, your demand levels, and capacity. Inside TourOptimizer, you can continue refining your pricing strategy using additional tools designed to help you model revenue, optimize margins, and build a more profitable tour business.